Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very first app in CommCare in just 15 minutes. We'll walk through everything from creating an application, designing a form, to deploying it on your mobile device. Ready? Let's dive in. Step number one, sign up and log in. Go to your Google and type CommCare. The CommCare website will open up. You will have to create a CommCare HQ account. So click on Create an Account link. Step number two, create a new application. Click on the Applications tab. Then hit the New Application button. This will bring you into the Application Builder page. Now, to change the name of the application, you have to click on the pen icon to give your app name. So I'll click over here and I will call it as My First Application. Don't forget to click the check mark to save it. Step number three, choose the menu type. On the left hand side, click the plus add button. You will see two options. Number one, surveys, which is used for collecting data once. And number two is case list. If you need to track data over time, you need to choose case list. For this tutorial, let's stick with surveys. Step number four, design your first form. The survey menu opens the form builder page, which is this. Click the pencil icon near the form's name and change it to something like My First Form. So let's call it as My First Form and save it. Let's add our first question to this form. Click the plus add question button. A drop down will appear with various question types. Let's start with a very simple text question. So let's choose text, and over here, let's enter what is your name in the survey form. So what is your name? The system will automatically generate a question ID, but let's change that to name. So instead of what is your name as the question ID, let's have name. Step number five, save your form. Once you have added all the questions, click the save button to make sure that your work is preserved. Always a good idea to save frequently. Step number six, create a test user. Go to the users tab and select mobile workers. So let's call this mobile worker as test user. The first name is test, the last name is user, and this is the password. Step number seven, test your form. So I'll go back to my application, click on my first application. On the right hand side of the screen, there's a teal bar to open the application preview. Let's click there. This allows you to test how your app will look and feel on a mobile device. Now let's log in as the test user. I can already see the name over here. So I can also just check over here, click on login, go to the start button. I can see the surveys folder over here, which we created. And if I click ahead, I can see my first form that we created under surveys. If I go ahead, I will see the first question that we added, which was what is your name. I can put my name over here and then submit it. We can also install the app on a mobile device, which is pretty straightforward. You just need to install the app on mobile device for real world testing. You can download the CommCare app from the Google Play Store. Back in CommCare HQ, you need to select your application and then click on make a new version. So if you go and click over here, you will get an option for publishing the new application. Either you can use the barcode to install the application, which is this, or you can also use the application code, which is here, to install the application. Let's scan the code. Put your phone in front of the code and scan it. Click on Start Install button and wait for a few seconds till the app installation starts. Step number nine. Now the app is installed. You can open up the CommCare application on your phone, log in with the mobile worker credentials you created earlier, and start collecting data by filling out the form you designed. Step number 10, if you want to review the data, once you have collected some data, you can easily review it. And the last step is to iterate and improve. Finally, as we move with the application, continuous improvement is key. You can gather feedback from users, make adjustments to your form or settings in the CommCare HQ, and redeploy the updated app to your devices. You've just built and deployed a simple app in CommCare in just 15 minutes. I hope this tutorial helped you get started. If you want to check out more information on this topic, do go through our CommCare help site for more information. Thank you for watching and happy app building.